A blue whale has a brain much larger than ours.
An elephant also carries an enormous brain.
Both have larger brains than humans.
Yet humans became the smartest species on Earth. The secret was never having the biggest brain. To understand why, we must travel back millions of years. 7 million years ago, our ancestors lived almost entirely in the forest. Food was always close, hidden among the trees. This fruit is delicious.
Here, have some.
Thank you, brother. When danger appeared, climbing trees was enough. Families could safely raise their young. Every day followed the same familiar routine. A small brain handled every challenge they faced. A bigger brain would have needed far more energy. Nature had no reason to make them smarter. For millions of years, almost nothing changed. Their world seemed perfect for survival. Then, the world around them slowly began to change. Africa slowly became hotter and much drier. The forests that once protected them were disappearing. Finding food now meant traveling much farther. Every journey carried new dangers. Quick decisions could mean the difference between life and death. Remembering water became essential for survival. Choosing the right path became more important than ever. Observation slowly became intelligence. Better thinkers survived more often. The brain grew, one tiny step at a time. Nature quietly rewarded every better decision. Then, one force of nature changed human history forever. For the first time, our ancestors witnessed the terrifying power of fire. When the flames disappeared, curiosity replaced fear. Someone dared to carry the fire home. Keeping fire alive became part of everyday life. Losing the fire meant starting over again. Then, an accident changed human history. Cooked food was softer, and easier to eat. Cooking made digestion far more efficient. Look at how quickly the nutrients from the cooked meat are absorbed. That extra energy could now feed the brain. A larger brain had finally become possible. Fire protected families long after the sun had disappeared. But fire gave humans something even greater: each other. Humans learned that survival was easier together. Teamwork made impossible hunts become possible. One successful hunt could feed an entire tribe. Sharing food strengthened every family. Everyone had a different role to play. Knowledge became something worth teaching. Each new generation started a little smarter. One new idea quickly spread through the tribe. One discovery became everyone's advantage. Small tribes slowly became larger communities. Many connected minds became one powerful intelligence. But soon, humans discovered something even more powerful than cooperation. At first, humans spoke with simple sounds and gestures. For the first time, they could make plans before the hunt. A single warning could save every life. Knowledge became much easier to teach. Stories became the first classroom.
Ooga chooga goo goo.
Eep oop.
Yoo-hoo.
And built the bridge to tomorrow. Knowledge could now outlive the people who discovered it. Each generation started where the last one ended. Language made cooperation far more powerful. Every conversation helped train the human brain. Shared knowledge spread faster than individual experience. Language transformed a group into a true society. But living together created an even greater challenge. As communities grew, life became far more complicated. People now had to remember dozens of relationships. Trust became one of humanity's greatest strengths. But people also had to recognize deception. Solving conflict became a new survival skill. Leadership emerged through experience and wisdom, guiding the tribe through the challenges of the age. Understanding emotions became incredibly important. The brain adapted to understand other people. Intelligence was no longer just individual. Together, Humans became smarter than any one individual. Our greatest challenge became understanding each other. But a larger brain came with an enormous cost. A larger brain came with a difficult price. Larger heads made birth far more challenging. Human babies had to be born earlier than before. For many years, children depended completely on others. Those extra years became years of learning. Each generation inherited more knowledge than the last. Fire, language, family, and cooperation shaped the human mind together. Our intelligence was never one discovery. It was millions of years of evolution. The human brain was never created by one single moment. It was built by millions of years of small advantages. Every invention, every civilization, every discovery began inside the same extraordinary brain. The greatest tool humans ever created was the one inside their own heads. But if our brains made us human, why did we lose almost all of our body hair? That mystery comes next.